Okay, so it's the next day. The first one didn't blow up. I've got it mounted on the sprayer. I don't think we showed that. We didn't show that, did we? Well, I'm going to show it right now. We mounted the tire on the sprayer. Timothy repacked the bearings with grease, correct, Tim? And would you look at that? You can barely tell that that's a repair. Well, you know it's a repair because I'm the guy that did it. Yeah. I guess I could have did a little better welding job, but I've seen worse. And, you know, when you're doing a little bit, and then you come back and you do the other side, and then you do the other side. And I did make a slight change in the wire feed. I was putting out too much wire, so on the back side I actually slowed it back down again. And I am going to slow it down a little bit more, just because it's too much wire going in. And I want maximum penetration, so usually it penetrates better with more wire, but anyway, whatever. It kind of did make some clumps and stuff, but other than that, I think it looks great. It is a solid fit. I've got Tim chasing the threads. These are 5/8 inch studs, 5/8 by 18, right, Tim? Yeah. So these studs here are not too bad. I am having him use the impact gun because that's the only thing you can really get in there with. And once you start it first, and then you run it in, and then you pull it back off again. And that seems to work pretty good. And then over there, I've got, for the nuts, we're chasing the nut threads too, because I don't have any lug nuts. How'd it work? Don't put it all the way down. There you go. Clean it right up? Yeah. Good. That works pretty good. Speedy. So anyways, with this thing here, I'm going to get the grinder in there. I'm going to grind off the paint, obviously. And I'm going to grind a bevel in it so that I get maximum penetration when I do go to weld the sucker in there in the next 15 minutes. So you get to watch this in high speed. Safety third. Ah, Rosie! What the fuck happened there? Which one? If you are watching this very last video, I have a little secret. Yeah, I got a little secret. I've been away for the last week. All this stuff that has happened that you saw over the past week has been done for well over 2 weeks now. We have had rain and all these other crazy things that, that happened. And I had to go on a trip. No, I did not pick up the loader. No, I did not. I didn't go visit any YouTubers or anything, unless, of course, I've run into some in the past, or, while I was away. But anyway, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this week's worth of stacked up footage. I know that the editing wasn't quite what it should have been in some cases. I really wanted the New Holland 1411 series to go in real time, just for the simple reason people can, if it's in fast forward, you have to piece it back together again, so it's like you have to rewind and watch, or try to catch what I said. When you do it in real time, then they can just, oh, that's how that's done, or, oh, now I understand, that kind of thing. So that's why I did that, and, of course, I spent the most of the night editing the best that I could to get those 5 or 6 videos together so that I could just fire them off from my location far, far away. Yes, not an enjoyable trip, I don't think. I may have a different opinion of it when I get back here, because I'm actually filming this on Thursday morning before I climb on that airplane. So Tuesday morning, not Thursday, Tuesday morning. I'll be back on Tuesday, which it's probably Tuesday today, only fast forward a week. So anyway, yeah, you'll see some videos of where I've been and what I had to do and why I was there and what I was up to. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed them. If you didn't, well, that's just too damn bad, because guess what? The week is over and new videos coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.